Hi guys, welcome to another very interesting video of Versatile Knowledge. In this very quick video, I'll tell you how you can increase the touch sensitivity on the Samsung smartphones. And this touch sensitivity feature will come to use if you are using tempered glass on your Samsung devices. As you can see, I'm using a Samsung device and I have installed the tempered glass on my smartphone as well. So this is the tempered glass which I got on my Samsung phone recently, and because of this, what happens sometimes if I click on some options, it will not get opened. So in order to encounter these type of problems, you are touching on the icon and it is not getting selected, or accidentally something else is getting selected, then you have to increase the touch sensitivity. First, go to the settings on your Samsung smartphone. This is the settings. As you can see, when I touched on settings, something else got opened. So this is because touch sensitivity is very low. And first thing is, I have to open the settings on my Samsung smartphone. Once I have opened the settings, just scroll down and there will be something called display. Just scroll down from display options and there will be an option called touch sensitivity. And once you enable the touch sensitivity, what happens is, once the touch sensitivity is increased, those type of touches where you are touching something and accidentally something else is getting touched, those type of problems will be solved. And it will increase the sensitivity of touch on your Samsung smartphone as well. If I touch on Google Play Store, automatically it should go to Google Play Store. If I touch on something else like Galaxy apps, it should go to Galaxy app itself. If you have installed a tempered glass just like me, and if you have encountered these type of problems, then you should certainly turn on the feature of touch sensitivity on your Samsung smartphone. So if you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, as we are your source for all the latest updates, tips, tricks, software updates, and a lot of things in detail and in diverse related to technology. Thank you for watching, guys.